So looking outside right now, we're tracking a little bit of everything from rain, snow, clouds, even some sunshine off to our west. It really just depends on where you are as far as this precipitation goes. But of course, we're looking here locally in northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. Most of us just seeing a little bit of some light rain pushing on through. As far as snow chances, that's not returning until tomorrow or even into Thursday. But yes, we are tracking multiple days with a chance for some precipitation, but still tracking these strong winds coming in from the southwest with wind gusts right now around 25 to 35 miles an hour. The good news, even though it is breezy, it's coming in from the southwest, so bringing in some of that warmer, moist air. And you know what? We'll take warmer conditions when we can get them, especially right now in the month of January. Again, these strong winds sticking around throughout the rest of the afternoon and throughout the evening, slowly calming down, but still wrapping up the day tonight. Wind gusts around 25 miles an hour. But as far as your Tuesday goes, today is going to be the warmest day for the next 10 days. Forecasting temperatures about 10 degrees above average. Will be in the mid 40s. On and off clouds and sunshine. Yes, we could see some sunshine for this afternoon once this rain pushes on through, but we are still tracking these gusty winds. So let's look at this hour by hour. This morning, we are A-OK. Just a little bit of light rain for this afternoon, but then after that, the clouds and rain move on out. Temperatures warm back up to the 40s for today. And then here comes a little bit of some sunshine for any afternoon and evening plans you have. I'm telling you, get outside and go for a walk while you can, because temperatures will be dropping. Now, tonight into tomorrow morning, we're waking up to those mid to upper 30s. Most of the area cloudy, a little bit of some rain, a little bit of some snow, and we'll continue to see that rain snow mixture as we go on throughout the day. And those temperatures are still staying cold. Back to feeling and looking a lot more like January, as those temperatures will be in the mid 30s. Now, I want to look ahead towards the rest of this because I mentioned snow. How much snow? Okay, take a breather. I know this looks like a lot. This is for the next 7 days, so this is accumulating over time from tomorrow all the way into the following Tuesday. You see the date right there, from the 14th to the 20th. Most of the area could be seeing around 2 to 4 inches of snow. The further north and west you are, higher accumulations, and same thing off to our east. Why is this? Think about this. The lake effect snow over towards the Cleveland area, over towards western Michigan. Higher snow totals are typical, but for us here locally, from Toledo all the way down towards Upper Sandusky, over towards Lima and Van Wert, around 2 to 4 inches of snow is expected. Along with snow chances, colder temperatures. Bundle up, prepare now, get the heat ready, get the extra food ready, because it's going to be a cold one. We're going to I don't want to go outside in this. Let me show you this, because mid 40s today, mid 30s tomorrow, mid 20s by Thursday, mid 30s by Friday. This weekend is going to be a cold one. Highs only in the 20s, but next Monday and Tuesday, highs will be in the teens, but feeling much colder than that. Feels like temperatures drop back down to the negatives. But also look at this. From now all the way until next Tuesday, multiple chances for some precipitation, but mainly snow. That's a look at your extended forecast.